of honor to take it forward, Shri P. Ramadas, Managing Director, ACE Manufacturing Systems Ltd, for his speech, please. Could we welcome him with a round of applause? A very good morning, sir. All yours.
Dear Shri Narayan Rane, Hon'ble Union Minister of State for MSME, Dr. Murugesh Nirani, Honorable Minister for Large and Medium Industries, Government of Karnataka, Shri HG Krishna, Chairman, IMS Foundation, Mr. Chandrashekar HG, Founder and MD, SASMOS Technologies, Shri Sachin Sabnis, President, Lagudya Bharati, Karnataka, Mr. Shri Pereira, Managing Director, Triune Exhibitions. Good morning to all of you. The new year has started with a new designation of Shubha Kruto, which means it is expected that it's going to bring lot of Shubha to all of us, mainly to the industries. We are in the middle of the booming period of industries, growth in the country, due to the several encouraging initiatives taken by the Government of India, by our beloved Prime Minister. The country has taken a growth target of $5 trillion GDP by year 2025 from the present GDP of $3 trillion. In this, the industry's present GDP, which is $500 billion, is expected to touch $1 trillion. And this is being done by the initiative like attracting the electronics industry for the manufacture of mobile, laptops, and iPhones and iPads and things like that. And also, the robust support for the revolution of the railways and defense industry by encouraging private sector participation, plus rapid growth in these two sectors. And there is a big growth that we are seeing in the die and mold sector, agricultural implements, and tractors and toy industries. Many industries who are supplying parts and subsystems to the different countries in the world, they have been shifted from China to India. We are seeing a sudden boom as machine tool manufacturers in the marketplace, which we have never seen in the past. Last year, we have grown by 69% compared to the previous year, because machine tool is a mother machine for any manufacturing industry. Without machine tools, there's no growth. It is an indicator of the growth of the country. Even in this month, in this year, we are expecting the same growth of at least by 50%, and very, very bullish about that, because this is an indication that manufacturing industry is growing. So with this, what this means to MSME? And there are startups are also being encouraged by the central government, and Karnataka has become the hub of startup initiatives, mainly in Bangalore. Now coming back to MSME, it is the backbone of the industry, of our economy. They employ about 120 million people and second to the agriculture sector, and they contribute 10% of the total industry participation in the industry economy. This sector can double its production in 3 years' time because the industry is doubling from 500 billion to 1 trillion. And all the industries are today very bullish, whether it is the large-scale industries or the MSMEs. The industry contribution, presently it is 16%. From there it is expected to touch 25%. In China it is about 35% by 2025. And out of this, 10% will be contributed by MSME sector. Loop is working very hard, Laghu Udyog Bharati is working very hard to enable this growth in the MSME sector. We at IMS get our parts from all small-scale industries and MSMEs. Nearly 400 vendors are developed in the last 3 decades to supply parts to us. We started as a small-scale industry way back in 1994, and with a turnover of 68 lakhs on the first year. And we became the medium-scale industry by crossing 100 crores turnover within 10 years. Last year, we have reached a turnover of 682 crores, and we are the highest producer of vertical machine centers and horizontal machine centers in the country, and we have been in this position for the last 15 years. Today, the greatest satisfaction we have is that we are employing 600 people inside the campus, plus some sectors have been given on contract. About 1,000 people are there. And outside, on these 400 units of small-scale sector, there's about 2,500 people are employed. And every machine we sell will create a job for 3 people working in 3 shifts. So when we produced last year, we produced about 2,000 machines. That means we have created a job for 6,000 people. So this is what is giving us happiness of our business more than the turnover and the profitability. So what is the secret behind this growth, whatever we are having, becoming the number 1 machine center manufacturer in the country? I think it's the people who have got a lot of money power. Some of the secrets I thought I will highlight. So many of you as MSME people can also dream to become big like us in the near future or in the future. One of the most important points, what we have followed and we are practicing, is a passion by the leader of or the promoter of the company to inspire the employees to work for a greater purpose than money. Treat employees as a part of the organization. They are the family members of the organization. Not refer them as a workers and make them a different class. They're all part of the family of AMS. Family members are all employees of AMS. Treat employees as a part of the organization. Take care of employees very well to avoid unrest in the company. Make them feel that there is a greater purpose in life apart from earning money. That is to serve the society and the country. We also inculcate a habit of helping people in their personal life. Anybody whomsoever they come across, please, we ask them to help the people without expecting anything back from them. This is the most important fact. Employees are one of the strongest pillars of the organization. Then is our customers. Customers are the most important pillars of the industry. If they are happy, you can be happy. Always treat customers as Annadata, that is a living God. Never ever let them down in any aspect, mainly in QCD, quality, cost and delivery. That is with best price, best quality and on-time delivery. Never make a compromise on these three aspects, but that is the foundation of the industry. And always be transparent in your dealings with the organization. People who look at it, they'll also get a belief that they have to be transparent, they have to be honest, they have to be trustworthy. And we take payments and make payments through the bank. There's no cash transaction at all inside the company. We had some problems with this principle philosophy in the beginning, but over the time we have overcome that. And we make the payments on time. No delay till today in statutory payment in the last 28 years. And another thing is, there is no check bounced, whatever we are given. That's another thing, we stand for it. And the employee's salary is given first without failure. Even if you don't have money, we go to the marketplace, take the money and see that we honor the payment to the employees. Another thing is, all our suppliers are paid within the 45 days as stipulated by the Government of India as the law of the land. It is done between 30 to 45 days. Even during the Corona time, we have gone out of the way and support our suppliers and vendors. And even here, 1 mile extra we have gone. We brought it down to 15 to 30 days. So they are supported. We have turnover less, so they can get a support from us. And another very important aspect, generally in MSME sector, when you see a good cash flow, we are tempted to divert the money for the personal purposes. We in our group companies have taken one very clear and strong system that will not take more than 20% of PAT to the promoters, directors. They have a strong philosophy. And 80% is plowed back to the company. Even if the individual working promoter at the director company wants to have some money, he will go to the bank and take the loan, then use the money from the company. There is a strong financial discipline, what we have been following, which has helped us to work. The last 15 years, we have never used the money from the bank for the long-term investment or for the working capital. So this is the advantage of pumping back the 80% money into the company for the strong foundation for the company. And we, in our HRD book, when the people join a company, the first slogan that is put is the Bhagavad Gita slogan, Karmanya Vadikaraste Mahaparesh Kadachana. And we not only put the slogan, we practice it. We put the best efforts, leave the rest to him to give the benefit at the right time and the right way. The example is the present place where we are staying. That's in Pinya. When we are expanding, we are looking for some land, about 6 acres. At the time, this Brindavan Alloys land was for sale. They are converted into 1 acre plots. We went to approach the owner of the land, and he told us out of the 10 acre plot, the first 4 acres has been given to somebody, you take the rear one. I was very much disappointed. Then after 4 months, and we have been doing very well at that time, Our growth was about 80%, in the previous year 60%. Cash flow was also good. Something, intuition came to my mind. We went back again on the first week of January to the owner, asked him to give us 10 acres. Within 30 seconds, he said, it was 16-acre plot. Please take all the 16 acres for you and also your group companies. And some more other, tell the other party that the land is not available. We grabbed the opportunity, and that is the one which has taken us up to here for the last 2006 to 2022. I think this year our capacity gets filled up by making 3,000 machines plus. So what I want to tell you is, if things have to fall in place, it will fall in place provided you have a good and this philosophy, whatever we have been following. And we in the company, generally we feel that we are not owning the company. We are only trustees to run the company with certain principles and disciplines. And with this, success and happiness with peace of mind has come to us and it will come to you also. Today, we have the happiness, as I told you earlier, of 1,000 people inside the campus, 2,500 people at the vendor's place, plus more number of machines we supply, more number of people are getting employed. 6,000 people last year have been employed. So it creates so many job opportunities. And that happiness is much more than the money what we earn as a profit. So my experience to you, all of you MSME sectors, people, entrepreneurs, do your business by following the law of the nature, apart from following the law of the land. Don't exploit anybody, whether the employees, whether the customer, whether the suppliers, or the government, or the banks, any stakeholder. Do it as per the law of the nature, like the trees give the plants and plants give the flowers and fruits. They don't expect anything back from that. So this is a message to all of you. If you want to be happy in your life, success and happiness with peace of mind will be yours at the end of the journey called our life. So when you are in the retired stage, 75 plus years, you'll have a very peaceful life with peace of mind and happiness with you and your family members. So with this, I wish all of you very, very good, best of luck. Follow these principles, be happy in your life. Thank you very much.